What is your name? My name is Sarah. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in New York. Do you like your city? Yes, I love my city. What do you do? I am a student. What do you study? I study English. Where do you study? I study at the university. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like reading. What books do you read? I read fiction books. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What is your brother's name? His name is David. How old is David? He is 18 years old. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak a little Spanish. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. How do you get to school? I take the bus. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to watch movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy movies. How many people are in your family? There are 4 people in my family. What are their names? My parents are John and Mary. My brother is David. Where does your family live? My family lives in a small town. Do you have a big family? No, my family is small. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. How old are your parents? My father is 50 and my mother is 45. Do you have any pets? Yes, we have a dog. What is your dog's name? His name is Max. How old is Max? Max is 3 years. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What is your brother's name? His name is John. How old is your brother? He is 18 years old. Does he study too? Yes, he is also a student. What does he study? He studies mathematics. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What is your cat's name? Her name is Bella. What color is your cat? She is white. Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. Do you like dogs more than cats? Yes, I like dogs more. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do after waking up? I brush my teeth. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast every day. What do you eat for breakfast? I usually eat toast and eggs. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. What time do you go to work or school? I go to school at 9 a.m. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How long does it take to get to school? It takes 20 minutes. What do you do at school? I attend classes and study. Do you have lunch at school? Yes, I have lunch at school. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat a sandwich and fruit. What time do your classes end? My classes end at 3 p.m. Do you go home after school? Yes, I go home after school. What do you do when you get home? I relax and do my homework. Do you watch TV in the evening? Yes, I watch TV sometimes. What shows do you like? I like comedy shows. Do you go to bed early? Yes, I go to bed at 10 p.m. What do you do before bed? I read a book before bed. Do you sleep well at night? Yes, I sleep very well. What time do you usually wake up the next day? I wake up at 7 a.m. again. Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping. Where do you go shopping? I go to the mall. What do you buy when you go shopping? I buy clothes and shoes. Do you like to shop alone? No, I like to shop with friends. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping once a month. Do you buy things online? Yes, I sometimes buy things online. What do you buy online? I buy books and electronics online. Is online shopping easy? Yes, online shopping is easy. Do you use cash or a card to pay? I use a card to pay. Do you like discounts? Yes, I love discounts. Do you look for sales when shopping? Yes, I always look for sales. What is your favorite store? My favorite store is Zara. Why do you like Zara? I like the clothes and styles. Do you try clothes before buying? Yes, I always try them first. Do you return items if they don't fit? Yes, I return items if they don't fit. Do you like to shop for gifts? Yes, I enjoy shopping for gifts. What gifts do you buy for your family? I buy books and toys for them. Do you buy expensive gifts? No, I buy simple gifts. Do you prefer malls or local markets? I prefer malls. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What do you usually cook? I usually cook pasta. Do you like spicy food? No, I don't like spicy food. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink coffee in the morning. What do you eat for dinner? I eat vegetables and chicken for dinner. Do you like fast food? Yes, I sometimes eat fast food. What fast food do you like? I like burgers and fries. How often do you eat fast food? I eat fast food once a week. Do you eat fruit every day? Yes, I eat fruit every day. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apples. Do you drink water a lot? Yes, I drink a lot of water. Do you eat sweets? Yes, I like sweets. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is ice cream. Do you cook at home or eat out? I cook at home most of the time. Do you like to try new foods? Yes, I love trying new foods. What food do you want to try? I want to try sushi. Do you eat healthy food? Yes, I try to eat healthy food. What is a healthy meal for you? A healthy meal is vegetables and fish.